Hey everyone, welcome to Homestead and Hustle. As we mentioned in our last video, we moved to Calvert, Texas. And if you're not familiar with Calvert, Texas, it is a cute little historical town with lots of historical buildings and historical homes. And what we purchased was the old Calvert Hotel. The Calvert Hotel has a lot of history. It was built back in 1872 by a German family by the last name of Dirr, D-I-R-R. And I'm not going to go into the history of the home here, but if you want to, learn about that, then you can go to the Facebook page for that, and I'll leave that link below. Now, our channel is still going to be about Homestead and Hustle. It's just going to be a new homestead and a new hustle. Still going to be striving to live on feed and seed and be more self-sufficient. And it's still going to be a little bit of a new journey for us. But we learned so much about living in the country that we know that we will be able to bring a lot of knowledge to our new place. And hopefully we can share that all with you. Now, we did have a little bit of a challenge on our move. Right before David and I closed on our place, he fell and hurt his ankle actually, and he ended up on crutches and one of those boot casts. So that slowed us down just a little bit. Though we did have a moving company move our furniture from our home, we still had so many other things we had to take care of on the farm that or our homestead, that like large equipment and getting the animals arranged, for the new owners and everything. So it kind of slowed us down just a little bit. It took us a little bit longer to move than expected. And we have some of you asking about our animals. Now, we did not have a setup to bring animals like chickens and ducks and rabbits. We were not prepared for that. And we were planning on bringing the cats. We did bring Maddie, of course, but we did not bring the cats. We were going to, and the owners asked if they could keep the cats. And we said, well, we were planning on taking them with us. We really kind of wanted to keep them. And the more we thought about it, this house that we bought, the property we bought, does need a lot of renovations. And so we knew that we were going to have a lot of crew, like a crew of construction workers on the property quite a bit. So I did not want to, I was afraid that the cats, because they would not be full-time indoor cats, that they might get a little upset about all the activity going on and try to go back to where they were living before, and they would just end up getting lost and become strays again, and that would be kind of dumb. So we decided to go ahead and leave them there, and so it was a nice way it worked out, because the people that bought our property ended up moving into one of the homes that were already on our property, because we had several houses on our property, and so that worked out perfect. They moved in about 3 weeks before we all closed and that we moved out. And so they got to interact with the animals while we were there, and so we could kind of show them the ropes of how we do things, and so that made the transition for the animals a lot better and a lot easier. So anyway, so we are happy to be moved. We're closer to family now, which is awesome, and we do have a lot of work ahead of us, but we're wanting to share that with you, and hoping you'll join us on our journey. And we're going to just give you a little sneak peek of what we purchased and in our new homestead. And we have a lot of things already going on, a lot of renovation already going on. Already started my garden, so I'm real excited to show you that as well. That will probably be in our next video, but I'm going to show you that. And but anyway, thank you for being here and joining us on our journey. And here's a sneak peek.